Okay, so let's get to it. If you are running ads from scratch using your Meta Ads app, you click on the ads account above where you are seeing your name or your ad account name. You see all your ad accounts here. So you pick the ad account that you want to use. Once you pick the ad account, you now exit. So the green button, plus button by your right, top corner by your right, you click on it. So it brings you to all the campaign objectives that you have. So if it is an engagement campaign, you should click engagement, awareness, traffic, whatever campaign you are doing, you click on it. So for this one, we are going to click on engagement campaign. So you see this option comes up. So if you just want post engagement or you want people to send you message, you can pick whatever. So we are going to go with post engagement. Once you open, you see campaign name. You can write the campaign name or leave it like that. Special ad category, leave it like that. Budget, you open it. So when it comes to budgeting, this is where you decide how much you want to spend per day. So for this one, I'll put 2,000. So if the money is low, it will show you that the money is low. So I'll put 2,000 per day. Always use the daily campaign, not the lifetime campaign, because the lifetime campaign you might decide to forget to even turn it off and to just continue reading. But if you monitor your ads, you can go with it. So you click on the OK sign and then go back. So you can see that the 2,000 naira per day is showing. You click on next. So this is where the bulk of the work is done. This ad set, at this ad set level, this is where the bulk of the work is done. So ad set name, you can decide to name the ad set if you want, or leave it so that you'll be able to segment. Schedule, click on schedule. When do you want the ad to start running? Start time, you can set an end date. So if you are running a daily campaign, like I said earlier, you need to set an end date. When do you want the campaign to stop? Maybe you want to run it for 1 week or 2 days or 3 days. So you put it. Today is March 11. You can see it's showing me April 11. You can edit it to any day you want. Okay, end time. Alright, so you can just edit it to any day that you want. That's all for this place. Then you go back. Then the second thing, most important thing here, is the audience. That's where most people have issues. Audience targeting. Alright, so when it comes to audience targeting, what you do is, this is how the audience segment looks like. You can see new audience, you can see location, you can see detail targeting, you can see the age, you can see the language. So for broad audience, what you do here is to just target, this is Nigeria. So if you don't want to target Nigeria, you want to target just Lagos, click on the edit button, go to the search bar, type Lagos, Nigeria. You can see that Lagos as a city is showing. You click on good sign and you go back. You can see that your Lagos is showing here. If you don't want other locations around Lagos to show, you now exclude location. Click Ogun State is close to Lagos. So click Ogun State. You can see Ogun, Nigeria. You can see anybody around Ogun State will not see your ad, because I know most people that work in Lagos that stay in Ogun State. So this is how to do it. Then age. When you are doing broad targeting, you don't do detailed targeting. Like this detailed targeting you are seeing, you don't do it. You leave it like that. Ages, let's say 24 to let's leave it at 65, because it's broad targeting we are doing. So gender, you do all. That's male, both male and female. Languages, you leave it like that. Once you are done with this, you go back. Once you are done with this, you go back. I don't know if you understand me. So, placement, placement, advantage placement. Allow Facebook to decide where they want to place your ads for you, except you are actually someone who is into the technicalities of running ad. I advise that you leave it the way it is, like this. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, this is what happens. For those of you that have been asking that they are not seeing their pages, this is where you get to see your page. So ad name, you can decide to name your ad. If it is an ad for shoe, you name it. If it is a clothing ad, you name it. Identity, this is where you see your page. Identity, this is where you see your page. Click on it. You can see that my name is showing, but I'm not going to use this my account to run this ad. So I'll click my page. You can see my page is here. So for you that are saying you are not seeing your business page, you see your business page here. You see your business page here. This is where you see your business page. So I'll pick one business page. You can see that the business page and my Instagram is connected to this Facebook page. That's why you are seeing Instagram is showing. Facebook page, the name